Hey, what's up? I'm Rui and I'm here to show you how you can add and make use of a scheduler component on your dashboard. Let's check it out. Because it's leveraging the power of the generic query interface, the scheduler component can in fact display any or all sorts of data as long as it has a set time period, like a start time and an end time. Be it reservations, records, planned maintenance, jobs, bookings, or simply plain EPG data like I'm about to show you now. The first thing we want to do is to fetch all tables under the EPG channel connector because it contains all programming per channel. We're interested in the programs table parameters, and now we have the data nice and ready. Next step is to drag in the new scheduler component over into the dashboard. And now we fill it in with the EPG data. You will notice the default loading animation while the data is being fetched. Incomplete configuration means that the data is there, but we haven't specified how to display it. So we need to map the start and ending of a block to the start and end time of a program, and also what to show on the labels. It's also possible to group the programming by each element that contains it. When you do so, you'll get a vertical band across the schedule. Check it out. However, it would be nicer to show the channel name instead of its ID, but the current queried data gives us parameter tables, so we need to fetch element properties too. To do this, we have to extend our dataset to include element information so we can use each element's name. Drag it over, and there you go. Now you can select each program individually to send out feeds. You can select multiple programs, you can zoom in and out, panning around, and more. This is merely an initial version of this component, so stay tuned for further refinements like color options, further resizing choices, tagging blocks, and more. I hope you enjoyed the preview. I'll see you on the next one.